Good morning, my fellow Toastmasters. Again, Carolina Duarte, your webmaster for Miramar Bilingual Speakers. Today I'm going to show you how to look at the agendas for the following meetings and how to sign up for a role. So let's do it. First of all, you have to log in as a member. So you must have already set up your profile. If you haven't, please watch the video on how to set up your profile. We have another video for that. So all you have to do, first you have to log in. So after you log in, you will have access so there we go. So this is our meeting agenda. You here have access to the agendas that have been created by our VPE. So you will select the one that we want to look at. So for example, we want to set up a role, sign up for a role for the meeting of the October the 8th. So here I see the roles that are available, and it's very easy. I'll just pick the one that I want to sign up for. So let's say I want to sign up for the Toastmaster. So all I have to do is click sign up, and I'm signed up for it. I by mistake choose the role that I didn't want to sign up for. All I have to do is click the little X here next to my name, and that's it. I'm not signed up for that role anymore. So that's it. It's very simple and very easy to sign up for roles. And if you want to sign up for the roles for the next meeting, just have select the one for the 15th. Here you see the date. So you scroll down here and pick up another role. Let's say you want to sign up as a speaker. You click sign up here. Make sure you put it in your the title of the project you're doing, the number of project you're doing. You should know that by looking at your manual. So let's say I'm doing project number 4. I put the title of my speech. You follow the introduction, your speech introduction, if you have. That's it. Your information has been saved. Thank you very much. And that's it. Your information is uploaded. If you don't want to do the speech, you can click here and cancel it. Another important things that I wanted to show you, let's wait for it to load up. Down here, meeting notes. This is a very important part. If you are, by any chance, not making it to the meeting, or you have a special message to say, just type it in here so people are aware that you're gonna make it or not. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can contact me, Carolina Duarte, the webmaster of the Miramar Bilingual Club, or you can contact the VPE. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.